Hello and welcome to Sweet Freedom Farms. So today we are running some new electric, and we're also digging some electrical line into the ground about 300 feet. So that'll give us a little bit better look without having to look at that pole, if you can see it behind me there. So we're going to take that down and run the electric underground. As you can see, the trencher, Alvis is helping us out on that. So looking forward to getting this done. So, how's it going, Pete?
Going.
Say hello to everybody.
Hola.
What you doing?
Putting pipe together.
Huh.
There, Jay. Having service work done for your house.
Looking good.
Yes.
A lot of activity today, huh?
Sure. Feel like I'm on an eyewitness.
Now what happens if you smell that glue all day?
I'll wind up being and acting just like you.
That's a good one.
I don't know.
Happy times, huh?
What do you think of other people I'd rather act like? Not you.
So we're going down at least 30 inches here. Some spots maybe 36, but it's got to be at least 30 inches to the pole. So we figure we just dig it up with an excavator instead of one of those witch ditch or whatever. Be a lot faster. So you see the line pull guys in the background climbing the pole, getting that all tightened up. Those guys move pretty fast. They've only been out here for about an hour. They disconnected this pole here, and then they're already resetting that other pole. So it looks like they'll be able to turn the power back on to the neighbor.